Here she goes again. Are you done? No, it's kind of like her one leg is kicking up and down constantly. Sometimes the other one joins in. Oh, sweetie. But then there her thumb goes, which is kind of unusual. She's getting white, though, down her nose and over her upper lip. Yeah. Baby girl. Come on, Joanna. No more of these. And she's kicking harder. Still taking little sips of air. There's a good breath. Is that it? Yeah, that was it. Come on. Okay.